Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. There is something I want to let you know about this birds. It's like at what age do chickens stop laying eggs? Many people don't know when the chicken will stop laying eggs. Let us assume our backyard layers now. Like let me call it the one we have, the local one we have, or this one we have. We may even put it at our backyard. The lifespan now will increase due to the level of grass is eating and other kitchen scrap that is eating. Like there's one that I saw. They said that the bird is up to 6 years. The only thing is that they said that I don't know how many months it lay egg last. That one is a native one we have. But if you leave it like that, the one that I researched, they said that bird can stay up to 9 years. But some books will tell you it's 8 years. But the one that, let me say, native fowl we have now, many of our native fowl that we have here is 5 years, 4 years. Before you know it, the owner will kill it. But the normal years for the birds is 9 years. Then, and the birds now, let me say the backyard own, it will be laying egg. Once it's 3 years, the egg now will decrease. The rate that is laying egg now will decrease. The backyard layers, it will decrease, and it will not be laying egg often, and it will lay egg in 4 years, 5 years, 6 years, and the quality of the egg now will also dropped. And when it dropped, before you notice the dropping of the egg is when from 3 years, the backyard ones, let me say the native one, or like this type of own, if they drop from 2 years. Like this our own commercial one here, it will start from 4 months and be laying. 6 months, 6.5 months, all of them will be laying completely from 23 hours, depending on the best. 23 hours, let me say the best breed, it will, from 23 hours to 28 hours, they will be laying egg. Let me say average, they will be laying egg per day. And they will be laying the egg for complete 2 good years. Once it's 2 good years, before that 2 good years, the number of eggs will decrease. Once the number of eggs will decrease, what you will do is that you will dispose it, I'm telling you the fact, and sell it to the market women. Then they will buy the best. When they buy the best, they are going to sell it. And the only thing that is on these birds is that these are our own commercial birds. Once it's 2 years, it will decrease of laying eggs. That is the age of it. And once you notice, you sell it off. Like here, once it's decreased, what we normally do is that this cage is easy for us. Let me just assume that this particular one, there are 4 now inside this cage. Then whenever we come, we see 4 eggs, we know that they are okay. And this one are 4. Once we come, let us assume they are like now, this one is 3. Once we come, we see 2 is laying, that one is okay. The other one we see there is no egg on it. We are going to remove it to another cage for it to be safe there for selling. Once we separate them finish, those ones that are laying, we continue laying, let me say 2 years, and before we sell it off. Or if you want to sell all, you can sell all that time. But that 2 years, the egg have already decreased, and you find that you are not making more profit from it. You sell it off. Before then, you sell it off. You must surely what? Brood egg. You sell all. You must surely brood this thing, birds. Once you breed it to 4 months and it start laying, you sell this one and take it to buy feed and be feeding the new ones. That's why is the number of time, the age is of selling this one is let me call it 2 years. I'm telling you the fact. If you're a farmer, you want to sell your eggs, once is the decrease of laying, what you will do is that you will find all means and give them an antibiotic, and give them you find all means to make it to lay, give them egg booster. If that one do not work, you will know that his age is disturbing it. What you can do is to sell it off. It's only advice I can give you. I hope you enjoyed this channel. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.